Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Leo placement. This is your love reading. Okay? Ngayong September, outcome ang ating titingnan. Okay? Pagdating sa situation ninyo. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe. And hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yeah, kung may mga tanong pagdating sa private reading, sa ating mga evil eye item for protection, okay, sa ating love bracelet, sa ating granter necklace, and doon sa ating new item pagdating sa cleansing, yeah, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info, okay? And yes, if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, just message lang po, no, sa kanya pong FB page para sa iba pang details. And sa mga naghahanap naman ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message, okay? So yeah, let's start. Leo, okay, the person you're dealing with, okay, the person on your mind. Let's see. Diba, may ganyan. Okay, so who is the person on your mind, Leo? Okay, who is they? Some of you pwedeng Virgo, yung kadil you're dealing with. Pwede kasing, yeah, kanina ko pa nakikita si magician. Okay, so pwedeng Virgo, pwedeng Libra, okay, pwedeng ano pa ba yung magician, a Gemini, I guess. Okay, so let's see who is this. Who is the person on your mind, Leo? Anong meron sa kanya, Leo? The Four of Wands. Okay. And the High Priestess in reversed. Fire sign, Cancerian. Sagittarius is here. Okay. Okay. So some of you, sabihin natin parang nakarelasyon mo to ng matagal na panahon. Okay? Matagal na panahon. Yeah. May iba sa inyo, nagsama kayo sa isang bahay. Okay? Lived in, parang ganyan. Let's see. Gusto ko pang makita kung ano bang meron dito. Okay. The Queen of Cups in reversed. Okay, so Leo, may chance na itong taong ito naging open sa'yo, okay, pagdating sa relationship. Pero sa ngayon, parang nagkakaroon ng paglayo, okay? Or sabihin natin, pagdating sa action niya, may paghinto akong nakukuha. Okay? May paghinto. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. It's like sabihin nating pang sarili or sabihin nating parang para sa kanya kaya niya yung ginagawa. I don't know why. Okay? Ito ay specific. Yung iba sa kanila or iba sa inyo talaga, sabihin nating open. Naging open pagdating sa family. Okay, the Four of Wands and the High Priestess in reverse, naging open sa family. Okay, so let's see ano bang situation meron sa ngayon pagdating sa inyo. Situation, the Four of Pentacles. Okay, what's this? The Six of Wands in reversed. So, may chance, pagdating sa sitwasyon, meron ditong parang self-centered. Okay? Merong nagiging self-centered. Someone is holding back. May nagpapahabol sa ngayon. Kaya, meron ditong no contact. Yes, meron ditong no contact ha. Okay. Sa sitwasyon, may chance na walang communication nga. Okay. And merong nagpapahabol. Pwedeng earth sign and fire sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay? Merong nagpapahabol. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari. Ano ba nangyari sa past? Anong nangyari sa past? Anong meron? Oops! Okay. The Sun. What's with that? I don't know. Parang energy is merong nalaman or merong natuklasan. Okay. What's with this? The Sun. Ooh, the Empress. The Lovers Universe. So, some of you may nangyaring breakup. Okay? Meron ditong pagdating sa past, merong talagang naging open. Naging, sabihin natin, lahat-lahat binigay, lahat-lahat ginawa. Okay? Masyadong naging, sabihin natin, kampante yung isa. Okay? Yeah, the Moon in reversed. Nawala yung takot dito, I guess. Nawala yung takot. Masyadong naging kampante yung sitwasyon. Okay? Kaya parang, the Nine of Cups Universe, this is an energy of codependency. Ganun talaga ang mangyayari kapag yung isa is sobrang kampante. Okay, magkakaroon ng codependency, meaning, isa doon is talagang gawa ng gawa, yung isa is parang, laging lang parang walang pakialam. Okay, there's imbalance. Okay? The Knight of Swords, may mga, sabihin natin, may mga action na kahit hindi na pag-iisipan is gagawin na agad-agad. Okay? Kasi pwedeng sabihin nating tatanggapin eh. Okay? Nung isa, kung ano man meron, like ugali, kung ano man. Okay? Meron ditong tumanggap. This is like selfless love yung nangyari before. So ngayon, I don't know kung sino itong nagpapahabol. May chance na kung sino sa inyo yung nagkaroon or nagbigay ng selfless love, unconditional love doon sa isa, siya yung nag-hold back. Yes, siya yung nag-hold back dito. Okay? May mga sitwasyon sa past na parang nagbigay or nagpabukas sa mata ng taong to. I don't know kung sino. Mayroon ditong parang mga sitwasyon, mga sabihin nating trauma, no, na nagpabukas sa mata, nagpabukas sa tenga, parang ganyan. Okay? Para maggawa or maglagay ng boundaries ngayon. Yes, meron ditong boundaries. Okay? Well, let's see. Ano bang emosyon niya for you, Leo? What is their 3 emotions? Strength in reversed. Okay. They're not putting effort sa ngayon. What's with this strength in reverse? Some of you pwedeng fellow Leo. Okay? The King of Pentacles. Walang ginagawa ito sa ngayon. Okay? Nag-back out. Nag-step back. Itong taong to. Sa lahat ng ginawa niya, nag-step back siya. Okay? See? The Two of Cups in reverse, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. May binabago itong taong to. Okay? They're not, sabihin nating open or available sa'yo ngayon. Their back is turned. Okay? Tinatalikuran ka nito. Some of you, Itong taong to, kung ganyan ang ginagawa, this is just a manipulation. Okay? Anyway. Yeah, gawa-gawa lang nila yan para, I don't know, masabing merong boundaries. Okay? I don't know. Kasi, ang nakuha ko dito, Leo, parang ikaw ang biniblame niya. Meron akong nakukuhang blaming energy from your person. Ha? Okay? Kasi pwedeng naramdaman niya yung hindi mo pagiging available or whatsoever sa kanya before. Okay? This is not for all. Okay, ilagay niyo yung sarili niyo sa kung saan man kayo. Okay? Kasi this is not a personal read. Halo-halo. So ngayon, they're backing away, stepping back. Okay? And they're not available. Yeah, wala kang makukuha from this person. Okay? So, let's see what is their next action towards you, Leo. What is their next action towards you? Next action. Ten of Swords in reversed. They're ending this. They're healing. Okay? The Ten of Swords in reversed. And the Page of Cups in reversed. Sa totoo lang, ang nakukuha ko rito, hindi sure, yes. Some of them, they're still expecting or waiting for you. Okay, so may chance nga na itong taong to ang nagpapahabol. Yes. I don't know. Ang nakukuha ko kasing energy from them is pwedeng ginagawa nila to dahil sabihin nating napagod, nagsawa. Okay? Or parang natututunan na lang ng taong to na parang magbigay ng limit pagdating sa'yo. Yeah, nakakuha ko ng blaming energy from your person, Leo. I'm sorry. Pero yes, yun ang nakukuha ko. Okay? Pakaramdam nito, may kailangan kang ipag-sorry eh. Yeah. May kailangan kang ipag-sorry or may kailangan tong malaman. Lalo na sa emotion mo towards them. Okay? They're healing pero they're still waiting. Yeah. Okay? Yeah, the Seven of Swords still looking back. Okay? Parang may ganon. Oo. So, let's see ano ang advice or outcome ninyo ngayong September. Anong outcome nyo? So, this is silence. Okay? Pataasan ng pride at ego. Oo. Okay. Kasi merong mga ipinaglalabang kanya. Yes, I think so. Okay, so let's see anong outcome nyo. / advice for you, Leo. Okay, the King of Wands in reversed. And the Three of Cups in reverse. Both of you. Gusto ng reconciliation, but yes, you are manipulating each other. Na hindi ninyo kailangan yung isa't isa. Pero yes. Yeah. Ang nakuha ko pa rito hanggat hindi nakakuha ng sabihin nating sign itong taong to, or maybe both of you, kung hindi kayo nakakuha ng sign mula sa isa't isa na open or sabihin nating may chance pa na maayos to, maybe both of you or isa sa inyo, sabihin nating looking, searching, open pagdating sa pakikipag-date, but still ikaw pa rin yung sabihin nating spare. Okay, nandun ka pa rin, both sides maybe. Para kayong spare tire ng isa't isa. Okay? Kung maghanap man to, or kung kayong pareho maghanap ng iba, hindi ko nakikitang iniaalis nyo na totally yung isa't isa sa energy. Yes. Okay? See? The 7 of Cups in reversed. Spare tire. Okay? So, yun. Ang akin nakukuha pagdating sa inyo. I cannot. Okay, so, tayo tumungo na sa all signs for you, Leo. All signs. Leo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, all signs. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries. Okay, may chance na open siya sa pakikipagayos. Taurus. They want commitments. They want a long-term relationship with you. They want to commit. Okay? Gemini. Okay. So, I think ready na to magkaroon ng mga panibago sa buhay niya. Okay? Some of them, sabihin natin hindi na niya kaya magtiwala, or maybe hindi mo na kaya magtiwala from this Gemini. So, mas maganda na may mga baguhin ka na. Okay? Like, focus ka na rin sa healing. Okay? Cancer. Okay, they want to talk. Some of them may chance na gumawa ng isang action para ma-trigger ka, or para sabihin natin may malaman siya from you. Okay? I don't know. This is simple pag-unblock. May gagawin siya para i-unblock mo siya. Parang ganon. Specific yan. Okay? Virgo. Okay, they're being impatient. Okay? Kung walang nangyayari sa inyo. Okay? Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo. Oh my God, this is Leo. I don't know if you're kanina pa yung si Virgo, ha? Okay, maybe both of you. Okay, Virgo, Leo, you're being impatient, no? Kung walang nangyayari sa ngayon. Okay, kung walang nangyayari, kung maraming delays, kung wala kayong contact, somebody is being impatient. Yeah. Okay, yung iba dito, may chance na humingi ng tulong from someone or mutual friends, like that. Okay? Next, Virgo. Virgo. Okay, this person is holding back. Okay, this Virgo is holding back. I don't know. Some of them, they're holding back their true emotions pagdating sa inyo. Okay? Hindi pa rin sila nakaka-move on, I think. Libra. Okay, so ang nakuha ko rito, lumalayo na siya. Okay, like, yeah, para sa sarili niya, parang ganyan. Scorpio. Okay, so ang nakikita ko dito, pwedeng gumawa siya ng action. Okay, gumawa ng effort pagdating sa'yo. Sagittarius, there is obsession here. Low-key obsessed. Itong si Sagittarius, low-key obsessed. Okay. Capricorn. Okay. So, may chance ng unti-unti na pagkakakilala. Parang ganyan. Slow to no action din. Pero, andyan yung parang sabihin natin pwedeng maging slow burner. Itong connection na meron kayo. Okay? Aquarius. Okay. So, expect a decision from this Aqua. Okay? Pisces. Okay. So, may chance na merong i-reject. Okay? Pwedeng i-reject mo tong si Pisces if ever na gumawa ng offer. Okay? Some of them kasi may chance na magbigay ng offer. I don't know kung anong offer yon. Okay? Pero, yeah. Ang nakuha ko rin naman from this Pisces, pwedeng nararamdaman nila like mutual feelings. Okay? Kung anong nararamdaman mo for this Pisces, yun din ang nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Pero they're like afraid. na pumunta dyan sa connection na yan or gumawa ng hakbang para magkaroon ng connection. Okay, so there. Yeah, yun ang ating reading for you, Leo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.